You are either fighting for something or you're fighting against something. You know, when I say that, it's like a lot of us have this belief कि ये सही है और ये गलत है. So what you're fighting for is what you have decided is right, जो सही है. And what you're fighting against is what you have decided is wrong. So you will be in this constant movement of fight. And you will get stuck in that movement where you believe कि आप आगे जा रहे हो, you believe that you are making a point, but you're not really making a point. What you're doing is fighting. What does fighting create? It has you standing between 2 points of views. एक ये है और एक ये है. मैं इसके लिए लड़ रही हूँ because this is right, so I'm fighting for this, and this is wrong, so I'm fighting against this. So then you create a catch-22 kind of a situation for yourself. You know, where you are like, I have no more choice. I have this or this. आपको लगता है कि मुझे और choice है ही नहीं, ये है या फिर ये है, और तो मैं कुछ choose ही नहीं कर सकती. And that comes from where you have made that fight relevant. You have made that fight so significant that till you don't win the fight, you won't stop. So what do we do here? You want to ask, what do I love about this fight? What am I fighting for? And what am I fighting against? What if it wasn't a fight? What could I choose? Now, when you're willing to give up the fight is when a different choice can show up. जब तक आप fight करते रहोगे, दूसरी choice नहीं मिलेगी आपको. You will not be able to see it even if it's standing in front of you. आपके सामने खड़ी हुई है वो तीसरी choice, लेकिन आपको दिखेगी नहीं. Why? Because you are so involved in fighting between the two, right and wrong. Give up the fight. How do we give up the fight? By asking yourself, what is the value of this fight? Whatever you are choosing is simply because it has value. If it doesn't have value, you will not choose it. You know, whatever has value for you is what you will choose, whether value against or value for. I spoke about a little, about the avoiding, defending, and proving in another video of mine the other day. And, you'll find it on my YouTube channel also. ये आप देखो कि मैं कहाँ लड़ रही हूँ और किसके लिए लड़ रही हूँ, सही या गलत, against or for, and give it up and see what other choices can show up. Not one, but lots of choices will show up.